Hello everyone, welcome to our class. In this course tour, I will briefly show you the different areas of our course and I will show you how to navigate the course. First and foremost, the entry point of the course will be the announcements page. I will post announcements at various points in the semester. It's a good idea to get into the habit of checking those announcements daily. The second content area I would like for you to pay attention to is the orientation materials area. You can click on this area. You can review our syllabus. You can learn how to obtain your textbook. And there is also a syllabus agreement. If you have reviewed your syllabus, you may go ahead and complete your syllabus agreement. Below the orientation materials section, you will find a student services area. This section is designed to direct you to assistance on campus related to your careers, improving your physical and mental health, and the university library. In the next section of our course, you will find an area that says Pearson Revel. This link directs you to your ebook and various assignments in our course. You must purchase the Pearson Revel pack, and the directions for this are located under the orientation materials folder. In our course, you will find a Life Happens coupon. This is a cool addition to my classes. If you miss any assignment in our course, you will have 24 hours after the due date to go into this section. Type up what assignment you would like to make up and submit it. After you submit it, I will respond back. You will have 48 hours from my response time to complete that assignment and submit it. Remember, you may only use your Life Happens one time during the course of our semester. Below this section, you will find a chunk of information titled Course Content. You can click on any of the headings and it will direct you to what you need to complete each day. For example, if I click on Roman numeral 1 Foundations, this section will cover background information about business communication. A picture of a mouse indicates it's an online day. A picture of 3 people indicate it's a face-to-face day. Specific days and due dates can be found on your syllabus. You will notice that the first 3 chapters you will be working out of the Pearson Revel feature, which can be found in here. For chapter 4, you can click the title and there are directions for what you need to complete in Pearson Revel, as well as a small discussion that's housed in Blackboard. You can find that by clicking this section. Below the course content section, you will find quick links to submit your group project assignments when they come towards the end of the semester. Finally, you will find an area to view your grades and get extra help with Blackboard. I hope this video has helped you figure out our course components, and I hope you feel more comfortable with navigating our course.